Alright, this is the Nerf rival Apollo. We are going to be doing a test video of it. This is a 7-round magazine. And here are the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little Nerf rival ball things. Alright, they are all loaded in. Sorry about that. There's birds up there in that tree. This is the gun itself, the magazine inside of it. And we are going to let you guys watch me load up the blaster. No, prime it. There is looking into the barrel. Now we're gonna go shoot this fence or tree, fence or tree, car or mailbox. But no, we're gonna stick with either the fence or tree. And I choose dun 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 the fence. Let's shoot the fence. And it went right here. Here is the little thing. It is squishy. As you can see, squishy. Now we're gonna load it back in to the gun. Yeet, 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 yeet. Now we're gonna shoot it again. Get in the gun. There, now it is loaded. No! This time we're gonna shoot the tree. Woo! I don't know where that went. It went somewhere over here. Oh, crap, that's broken. But we are going to get back to this gun. I have a bunch of these little Nerf bullet things. This time we are not going to. Oh. This time let's dry fire it. And now we're going to dry fire it. That is dry fire it. We have to load a magazine in. This can also hold a 12-round magazine. And I am going to shoot my hand with it. It kind of stings a bit. But there, that is my review of the Nerf rival. All over. Thanks for watching, and I will be filming more elevators soon because I'm going to my grandpa's work tomorrow. This is just a random video I decided to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.